Ayan, ako, ang prayer ko na good health pa rin sa'yo at saka huwag ka na magbabago kasi kung ano yung nakilala namin sa'yo, yun ka pa rin. Happy birthday! Nag-uusap lang tayo kanina, diba? Sabi ko mag-enjoy ka.
Sige.
Pero magkasama pala tayo ngayon. Parang ako magba-birthday, diba? Happy birthday!
Mari, happy birthday. Maraming salamat sa pagiging mabuti at sa experience mo kasama. Proud na nakasama ka sa pangalawa. Salamat po naman.
Happy birthday to you. Ha? Oo, pumasok ako. Diyan. Happy birthday, Tess. Good health. God bless you. At saka, sana magka-baby na kayo.
Mare, happy birthday. Naway yung wish namin ay magbat para sa iyo. Tsaka, salamat sa pagiging mabait sa amin.
Hello, Marie. Happy birthday. Wish you more birthday times and friends forever. Thank you sa lahat.
Happy birthday! Kailangan natin maging masaya ngayon sa birthday mo. Wish ko lang na huwag kang magbago. Happy birthday!
Birthday! Thank you sa lahat. At ang wish ko lang sa iyo, good health and more birthdays to come. God bless. Love you.
Doon ka.
Happy birthday! Yun lang naman. Ate, kahit hindi tayo nagkikita, kahit ang layo ng bahay natin sa isa't isa, hindi ko rin alam to. Wala akong gift. Happy birthday and more birthdays to come. Happy birthday!
Bandabing covers.
Alam ka, baby. Happy birthday. Hindi ka sana magkape.
We love to drink.
Happy birthday, good health, saka more birthday. Surprise ka ba? Kasi alam mo, kain lang, no? Oo.
Kakain tayo.
Kain tayo. So, happy birthday. So, more blessings, happiness, and success in life. Sana, maybe soon. Okay. So, diyan ka lang, Tess, ha? Dito kami. Mag-game po tayo. Lahat po ba ay may nag-iisang card na? Okay. O, ready na, ha? Makinig na mabuti. First number is letra ng M, 43.
Pag meron, wala na.
Pag meron, upo na. One last. May 43 kayo? Ay! Sorry! Kaya ikaw meron din. Sorry! Okay, next po. Letra ng N again. 3. Kung dati gusto natin, meron tayo po yun, di ba? Ngayon, ayaw natin, baligtad. Letra ng N, 3, 8. 3, 8. Ano po? 42. Wala kayo si Ann. 7. Huminga yung dalawa, oh. Talagang 200, talagang papatay ito mga to, oh. Okay, letra ng O, 7. 2. Okay, nanalo si Rian. Oh, ganito ha. Ano lang, maramihan lang kayo na nasasabi ng siomay. siomay, siopaw, suman.
Siomay, siopaw, suman.
Sino magbibilang? Okay, eto na po, si ate ang ating nanalo. Kasi 15 seconds lang po nakasampu na siya. Okay.
All you saints and sinners, poets, prophets, and fools. All you cowboys, tricksters, hipsters, trying so hard to be cool. All you dreamers and schemers, thirsty for more. I wanna dance with everybody who came through that door. Oh, let it all go. Oh, shake up your soul. Throw your hands in the air. Throw your hat in the ring. Throw your hips and your heart into everything. Get lost in the crowd. Get down on the floor. Let's dance with everybody who came through that door. Let's put aside our differences, lace up our shoes. Let's narrow the distance between me and you. Meet me in the middle. Let's quit keeping score. I wanna dance with everybody who came through that door. This night is on fire like never before. I wanna dance with everybody who came through that door. Oh, let it all go. Oh, shake up your soul. Throw your hands in the
Gusto ko lang pong sabihin sa'yo is mag-iingat ka palagi if pupunta ka sa work or kahit saan ka man pumunta. And pray lang po palagi. Happy birthday! See you soon! Bye! Bye naman!
Happy birthday!
Bye!
Love you!
Santa Claus, who always brings joy, love, and surprises to our lives. Thank you for your endless care to our family. We are super blessed to have you.
Surprise ako. Sabi niyo, kakain lang po.
I-play mo na lang dito.
Sabi niyo, kayo Salamat po.
If you feel a little tired, it's because you've come so far, and your eyes reflect the breeze. Oh, you made it through the fire.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Okay, wish mo na ning. Word peace. Okay, go the cattle. Yay! Head, shoulder, knees, and toes. Head, bato! Kanina ang bato.